We're trying to start the Fiesta up. Oh, it's cranking. Or trying. No.
Give it one more rev.
Oh. Round 2, try again. Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh, there it goes. There it is. This hasn't been started up, I don't think, in a few months. Although, I don't know.
From 160 years.
It hasn't even been alive that long.
It's been revived from 1970.
Almost.
Oh, I want to show you. I want to show the camera something. There's a smiley face under the.
How high is the revs on the Volvo? Is it lower than... No, it's holding its normal. We'll keep an eye if the Fiesta dies again. We'll see if the revs go up again. I don't know if it wants to. I don't think it wants to idle. It'll only stay when it's revved. I'm not sure. Come on, Fiesta.
You can do it. If we get this started up, we could go for a ride in it.
Maybe.
Yeah. Imagine you try to get a nap and you hear this happening. Blood literally just wants a nap and he never gets a nap. It's alive. After 660 years.
Kinda.
It's been 4 minutes already.
Oh! Oh, I think it's alive. I think he's got it on tick over. Is it tick over? Yeah, because I've seen that it's trying, but not quite. Almost. Almost there.
Now it is.
It's on tick over. Hey!
I take